this is exactly how I was able to get my channel monetized in less than 12 hours. Oh yes, in less than 12 hours, I was able to get this my YouTube channel, that is Ata Smart Tutorial, monetized in a very magnificent way. Someone will say that, whoa, really? Oh yes. Actually, I applied for this monetization. That was around 5 to 4 in the evening. So the next day, that's in the morning, early 4 a.m., I had the approval. It's quite unbelievable. Do you know what? Some people do apply for monetization. It takes them weeks. Some of them, it takes them months. And some even get disapproved or rejected. They would need to try over and over and over and over for so many times, to the extent that some people even get discouraged and wouldn't want to continue again. But hey, I'm going to show you straight away in this video how I was able to get my YouTube channel, this particular channel, that's my second YouTube channel, monetized in less than 12 good hours. Oh yes, as a content creator, as a YouTuber, as someone who has dedicated his time to actually educate you on how to also grow your YouTube channel. So if you're a small YouTuber, if you're a growing YouTuber, or if you are a content creator in general watching this particular video, trust me, you've got a very good video to watch. And by the end of this video, you're also going to learn and know how to actually work on your video, so that when you get to monetization, you can get yours even earlier than mine, so that you can also know what to do and what not to do, so that you can get your channel monetized within few hours. So let's get straight to the YouTube studio, and I'm going to shock you as to how I was able to get my channel monetized in less than 12 hours, what I did and what I stopped doing that got me to this far. But let me remind you, please, before we move on to the studio, if you've not subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button right now. I want you to be part of this family, and that is if you've not done that. If you have already subscribed, do well to turn on the notification bell, so that when there is a notification, you can be part of the first people to get notified on your device, so you can watch. Now in my YouTube studio, and you know what, this video, I'm going to take time to let you know how I was able to get my YouTube channel, that's my second channel, monetized in less than 12 hours. Less than 12 hours. Oh yeah, that is just a mind-blowing thing. You know what? Before you get your channel monetized, or before you even apply for monetization, there are certain things that you need to do as a YouTuber, and that's exactly what I'm going to take you through, and that is exactly what I did. Actually, I'll be talking about 3 major things that I did before I did the application, and in less than 12 hours. Oh my goodness, not even up to the 12 hours, not even up to 13 hours, no, not even up to 24 hours. Meanwhile, some people it takes them about sometimes a week, and sometimes to a month. Even YouTube, when you apply, it will tell you that it's going to review your account for about a month, as you can clearly see that. Oh yes, that's what they mostly do, or they mostly tell you during the application process. Great. But hey, the first thing I'm going to talk about is that before I did the application, I went through all my videos. I got to the video section. Let me show you what I did. So I went to the video section. You see, I'm using the YouTube studio now, so you can also check it out over there before you do apply for that. Okay. So these are what you need to do before you apply for YouTube monetization to increase your chances of getting approved in less than 12 hours. Oh yes, great. So first of all, check where your videos are. That is at the video categories, and then we are going to concentrate on what we call restriction over here. This one, always check for these restrictions. Whenever you are uploading a video, sometimes YouTube will scan through your video and will tell you that there's no problem found, there's no problem with the video. That means there's no copyright with the video, so you can upload. But it will still tell you that this doesn't mean that there wouldn't be, or there can be copyright in the future. So before you do the application, yes, when you were uploading the video, there was no copyright, but make sure you check, you scan through all your video to see the restriction section over here, to find out that there's not a single copyright in here. All right, so make sure you see none at this section. Let's be scrolling, let's be getting down. You see all these videos, you see none. Just watch them so clearly. All right, I'm taking time this time around to actually show you all that I actually did. You see, they are having none. The none means there's nothing like restrictions. There's nothing like copyright claim or copyright. There's a difference between the copyright claim and copyright. The copyright is there's actually an issue with the video. You need to work on that. The copyright claim, those you've used their content actually approve that you can use it, but the money that you get via this particular video or that video, they're going to have share in that. Okay, so they'll be claiming some portion of the monies. All right, so that is it. So make sure all the restrictions sections under each of your videos is having none, as you can see over here in mine. So that's the first thing I did. All right, I scrolled through over here. Some people will see, those of you who are having a lot of videos will see that, oh, how can I be scrolling through? Oh, okay, so if you can't do that, you forget about this and apply, and the YouTube system will get time to go through that, and whenever it detects any single copyright thing over there or restrictions over there, you may not be lucky, it will disapprove your application. So please, YouTube is a whole business in its own, so do well to get time on this one. Okay, so now let's get to the next page. So I am taking time to show you all these. All right, so over here, there's none of my videos where you will see a single copyright, because I shoot my own video, I edit my own video, I upload my own video. The background song, the background tune that I use my own background tune. I've actually contracted the sound engineer to help me to get me a tune. Oh yes, and I've paid for that. Yes, YouTube is a business, so we must all be serious all the times. Using some people's songs or background music will get your channel disabled. I've made a recent videos about how my first YouTube channel, Smart Gospels TV, got disabled by YouTube. But I didn't know more about copyright stuff, so I used someone's music, and the person actually called for a copyright on my video. They got me 3 emails. I didn't check, I didn't know anything about it by the time I realized the channel was disabled in a very sad way, you can imagine. So I always advise that if you are very serious about a YouTube channel and you want a background tune or a background song, please do well to contract a sound engineer, right, for the person to actually generate or produce a song or a tune for you. That is it, so that you can use it freely all the times. And that's exactly what I use this time. The video that you're watching, the tunes at the background and all the tunes at the back of my videos over here on this channel, yes, it's my bona fide property. They belong to me. You understand? Great. So with this one, I have been able to speak with my the sound engineer who did mine for me, and so he's available to assist all my subscribers. You understand? So you can let me know at the comment section if you want to get access to this my sound engineer I'm talking about. All right, let me know at the comment section that you want a background song or background tune for your video. Actually, some people have contacted me on WhatsApp, and I want to make this general so that those of you who would also want their own songs can contact me. You can let me know at the comments. Just drop it at the comments. Oh, I need a background tune, I need a background tune, can I get a person's contact and all that? Okay, I will let you have access to the person, and then you can get in touch with the person on WhatsApp, either by WhatsApp call or WhatsApp chat or whatever, and then you take it from there. It's gonna do, you just tell him how you want it, the tempo and everything, then it's gonna do it for you the very nice way. You understand? So that is it. So all my videos here are having none. As you can see, there's no restrictions. Okay, the videos are many, so I wouldn't want to go over all of them. All right, so now that is the first thing I did check over here. Made sure that there's no restriction on any of the video. That is not all. The next thing is that after checking that there's no copyright under the restrictions section of the videos, I also made sure there's nothing like reused content or doubling the upload of a single video. Recently, someone actually even asked, Smart, I used one video as a restream and I had my 4,000 watch hours. I have actually uploaded that same video on my channel. Will it cause any wahala or any problem for me doing monetization? I told him point blank, I said, yes, it's going to cost you. So delayed one. But hey, since you've used the first one to actually get your 4,000 watch hours, don't delay the first one, but delay the second one. Right, that same video, but it's that the person has uploaded twice. That is what I mean. All right, so over here, I think when I started, along the way, I mistakenly uploaded one video twice on my channel. Yes, one video twice. So before I apply for monetization, I quickly remember that. So I went through the videos and then with keen attention, and I was able to identify that particular video, and then I deleted that particular video from my channel. Oh yes, don't private it, don't unlist it, just delete it totally, because it's just the same video you've uploaded first and then you've also re-uploaded. That YouTube is going to take it as a reuse content, and with this they can even base on this to, I mean, disapprove or reject your monetization, I mean, process. Oh yes, so I made sure there was nothing like reuse content. And then after that, the next thing was that, you see, YouTube also checked what they call hate speech. Okay, that is sometimes when you are replying your comments, some people reply or give negative comment, and so if care is not taken, you also be angered to give out negative reply. No, don't do that. I've talked about this one some times ago. So I made sure none of my comment is having an insult. None of my comment is very harsh. None of my comment is actually attacking someone. No, YouTube doesn't like that. The use of F words and stuff. No. You cannot get me using stuff like that over here. Even if someone provokes me, the best thing that I will advise you to do in order to stay away from these harsh words usage is that you can either remove that comment from that your video, because there are some comment, whenever you see that, it can actually get you angry. Yes, we are humans, it can actually get you angry. So in order to do away with that, you can just remove that or delete that comment so that you wouldn't even see it at all. That is one of the best approaches. Yes, and so let me take you to one of my videos under the comment section. I'm going to show you all the replies I've been giving out. All the replies I've been giving out are positive, encouraging. Yes, because that's very important. YouTube checks all that before they approve your monetization process. All right, so let you see some of these comments. You see, the fact that I've been always positive with my replies and all that doesn't mean people don't actually give out negative comments. They give, but I control myself, you know. So if you've not shared this video, kindly take a few seconds to share to help others as well. If you found value in this particular video, thanks so much. All right, this even is actually having 78 replies. Small YouTubers, let's gather here from someone. I replied positively, and then you see all the replies have been given. All the replies have been given are positive under the comment. So you can see, let's check this one. I said, well, I just replied with love. You understand? Great. So all the replies. So I made sure there is nothing like hate speech, hate comment, or insult, use of F words and stuff like that. No. So that is the third thing that I did before I did the application. And you know what? I applied around 5 p.m. I think that was on the 8th of January. That was when I had a message to apply on the 8th of January. So I did the application, and surprisingly, that was around 5 p.m. in the evening thereabout. Yes, I think around 5 p.m. thereabout. And then in the early morning, 9 a.m., that was around 4. No, that's the 9th of January around 4 a.m. Yes, the early morning of 9th January, 4 a.m. I woke up to see a congratulatory message on my dashboard, and that of my email. That's in my email too. And it was so great. So from 5 p.m. to 4 a.m., I think it's around 11 hours or something, less than 12 hours. Yes, some people, it takes them about a month, some it takes them several weeks, some several days and all that. But hey, if you're able to actually check these 3 tips I've talked about, first of all, check if there's no copyright in any of your videos. Second, make sure there's no reuse content. And then thirdly, make sure there's no hate speech, hate words. There's nothing like the use of F word by yourself under any of your videos, the comment section in your videos and wherever, anything around your videos. I checked all of these, and I was fortunate to get my channel monetized and approved in less than 12 hours. So you can also do same as a small YouTuber or as a growing YouTuber watching me right now. So that is it, and that's exactly what I do over here. I'm always honest with you, and I teach you what has helped me, my practical experience. That is exactly the reason I've taken you through all these, so that it can also help you as a YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, to be able to grow your channel as well. Actually, I cherish you so much, and it's my prayer and hope that you can also grow your channel so rapidly and so quickly, the best way. Oh yes, that is it. All right, so as you can see clearly over here, that was on the 9th of January 2025, 4:52 a.m. Yes, and my channel actually got monetized, and YouTube officially congratulated me. So that is it. Be able to do same. Don't just apply for monetization, please. Don't just click on the apply now without checking these three important things. Please make sure you check them and make sure there's nothing wrong with any of your videos. Make sure there's nothing like hate speech and stuff like that before you do the application. All right, so I'm here to actually guide and support you and assist you all the time. So if there's any question, let me know at the comment section. I will gladly attend to you on that. If you are finding challenges on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, comment with 1k subscribers. Just all of you having less than 1,000 subscribers, just let me see your comment over there. I have something good for you, very good news for all of you. So just comment under this video 1k subscribers, so that I get to find out that you are someone who is not having up to 1,000 subscribers, and then I will reply you with something good, very good news, something very important to you. So let me know in the comment section. If you're also someone who is not having your 4,000 watch hours, you are not having your 4,000 watch hours yet, just reply 4,000 watch hours. Just let me know in the comment section. Put your comment over there, 4k watch hours or 4,000 watch hours. I'll reply you with that important good news that I have for you right here. And as you know, I'm always available to assist and attend to you 24/7. So don't worry about the time. I will definitely attend to you. All right. So that is it. Thank you very much. And I'm sure this particular video is going to go a long way to actually assist and support you. All right, so the things that you've learned here, kindly do well. Let's come together to share this particular video so that it blesses other people, it helps other content creators, so they wouldn't be making mistakes like the ones I've talked about, so that whenever they do apply for monetization quickly, they're going to be approved in a very nice way. So that is it. It's all joy. So now my channel is officially monetized. So please, you'll be seeing adverts on my videos henceforth, and even before the monetization. So as you know, recently YouTube is able to put adverts on any video at all, either monetized or not monetized. So that's why I've always been advised that be able to work so hard on your channel to get it monetized early, so you can be getting your monies and your revenues. All right, so now when you see any advert, please do well to watch fully. Do not be skipping the advert, please. Do not be skipping the advert, so that at least the revenues we can be getting from this can also motivate and encourage us to give you more powerful tricks and hacks and secrets to grow your YouTube channel. So thank you very, very much, and do well to be following the advert as well. Oh yes, if it's catchy for you, if it's something that you want to follow to actually buy something or learn something from their platform, you can be following in a very nice way. All right, so thank you very much. God bless you, until we meet next time in the next video. In fact, the next video is actually going to blow your mind. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, be part of this wonderful family. Don't also forget to turn on the notification bell, so that whenever there's an update over here, you can also have access to it. God bless you, and do have a wonderful time.